To worship you I live. To worship you I live to worship you. Hello lovely viewers, this is your girl Eveee. Welcome to Tasty and Fresh Kitchen, where we always prepare tasty meals with fresh ingredients. So today I bring to you this tasty sausage kebab. Yes, so I have my sausage here and then my suya pepper or kebab pepper, and also my skewers. So these are all the ingredients I need. So today I'm bringing you the Abokyi style here in Ghana. Sausage kebab is a street snack. It's sold everywhere along the streets, especially in the evening. And the Abokyis have some special recipes. So today I am sharing it with you. So join us to the end. Okay, so now I insert my skewers or kebab sticks into my sausages. Before then, I did some insertions here. So I'm gonna coat my sausages with my suya pepper or kebab pepper. Please note the suya pepper has lots of seasoning, spices, salt, and everything inclusive, so no adding of salt or any other seasoning. Okay, so make sure the sausages are well coated with the suya pepper, and that's all. So I'm using my pan grill for this sausage kebab recipe. Yeah, so you can also use pan grill, oven, or charcoal grill. So to make it more juicy, I just added a little oil together with my suya pepper, and then I coated it with my sausage, and you can see how beautiful it has come out here. So with this, it's going to take just about 15 to 20 minutes, and then our tasty sausage kebab, the Abokyi style, is ready. So be your own Abokyi at home, okay? Make your own sausage kebabs. Just look at this, and I hope you can hear the chill sound. Akono. Unia, papa. I bet you try this recipe at home and you are gonna enjoy. Thank you so much, friends and family. If you like this video, kindly give your girl thumbs up. I want to use this opportunity to thank all of you guys, especially my returning viewers, my new subscribers, and the family entirely. God bless you, and see you in our next video. Bye bye.